Hey guys, Todd James here with Responsible Passive Income. 2018 is history now. It's officially over and we're looking 2019 right square in the face. Just want to thank you all for helping me have a tremendous year. Shout outs to all my students. Tremendous year in 2018. I am expecting an even better year in 2019, and I hope all of you will engage in this journey with me. Things are getting better every day. For those of you that are still struggling, trust me, there is something out there in the world of e-com that will put money in your pocket and make your life better. All it requires from you is that you're willing to put forth the effort and overcome your personal fears. There's no reason 2019 can't be a great year for all of us. With that said, for those of you that have been following my channel for the past year, you know that I'm the king of no hype. I'm not into flashy cars. I'm not into ridiculous houses. I've been doing e-com and e-com training in particular now for over 20 years. And it's a job for me, but it's one that has been incredibly lucrative. It's one that has allowed me to live the lifestyle that I want. I work when I want to work, travel when I want to travel, and it can accomplish the same thing for you if you give it a chance and if you overcome your fears and take action. With that said, I just want to do this quick video. I've talked about some personal goals earlier in other videos, and more importantly, I wanted to talk about my goals for my students in 2019. And I've been trying to think of a way to really explain what it is I want from my students without it sounding corny and like it's a bunch of hype. Well, it's a simple idea, but what I want to do is to move my students from a standstill to $1 million in sales in as short a time as possible. That's my goal. I want to have as close to a straight line of success as I can possibly have, and I want that for my students as well. So with that said, that is my goal for 2019. I want to see my students who are starting out, who have never done e-com before, I want to see them get to $1 million in sales as quickly as possible. So I've shared this idea with a few people, and several people have asked me, well, what do you mean by as quickly as possible? That's a big variable, and you're right, it is. A lot of it depends on how much money you can put in to start. A lot of it depends on how much money you need to take out. So if you have a job right now, don't quit that job. Keep that job until you build up some income to replace your current income. Don't put yourself in a position of having to withdraw every penny out that could potentially be money to help grow your business. The longer you can keep your investment reinvested, the quicker you'll get to your $1 million in sales. I think what's reasonable is that if someone comes in and they start off completely new, completely green, completely fresh with $5,000, I think they can achieve $1 million in sales within about 16 months. That is allowing for the occasional dud or the occasional failure, but also allowing for success more often than not and reinvesting their capital back into the business. $1 million in sales should give you somewhere around $300,000 to $400,000 in profit. So this is a lot of money. This is a life-changing amount of money for almost anyone watching this video. So what I want you to do is I want you to think about this video. I want you to subscribe to my channel, and I want you to take advantage of the free content that I offer. My style, if you like what my other students are achieving, I'd like for you to engage in the journey with us. It can change your life, it can change the life of the people around you, and that is what I would like for all of you watching this to have. A tremendous 2019, a life-changing 2019, a 2019 that when you look back on it, you say this was the best year of my life. So if any of these things sound like something you'd like to be a part of, please do hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.